Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how you can share your Google Sheets. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you would have to do is open your Google Sheets from your Google account that you want to open. Here you can see I have opened the Google Sheets and now you have to select sheet that you want to share. I'm going to simply just select this random sheet for the context. So here you can see this is the sheet and all you have to do is click on the share option that you can see on the top right here. There you can see the restricted option right here. You can see in order to make it public, you can click on it. And then here you will be able to see the anyone with the link option. Click on it. And this Google Sheet will now be available to anyone with the link. And in order to copy the link, you can simply just click on this option, copy link. And like this, you have successfully copied the link of this Google Sheet. And now you can share this link to anyone that you want the access of this sheet. And that's pretty much it. That is how you can share your Google Sheets. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.